Hello everyone. Actually, how we can change default values in the preview. This works only for canvas, okay? Now here, this content view underscore preview struct is used to show our canvas preview. Now here you will see this content view, this calling. We can see this variable person count is there and it is value is 1. Now the thing is we can pass in a argument for this content view calling. For example, we can pass in this variable name. It is person count colon, and then we have to say colon to define its value. We can say something like 10, so it will change this value, the variable value, only in the canvas. Okay, when you launch your application in the simulator, it will not working, but it will work in the canvas. So you can see that default value has been changed into here it is loading into the 10. Now for example, I can do that again. I will replace by 100. Sometimes you cannot see the changes, so you can press on this live button, then it will reload your view. Okay, if this video helps you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.